Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the glitches of the video on the Videoleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And after that you should slide to the right side of the screen and tap on glitch. Here you can select this pixelate option. You can choose the pattern such as hexagon or cubes and then adjust it by the help of this slide. As you go back, you can also select its intensity and the animation as well. You have the chance to add this CRT and to apply the scan effect. Here you can see how it looks like. You can also adjust it by the help of the slide. Moreover, you have the edge function as well. You can also adjust the animation, density, angle, negative, roughness and saturation as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.